Hi, Prakash this side. In this video, we will see how we can actually make use of Lovable.dev free plan to build an app without any limitation. So basically in the free plan, you get 5 messages per day limit. You can see here, it is asking for an upgrade here. That means I'm in a free plan. And in this one, uh, in fact, I started creating this app yesterday. So yesterday's I might have used 3 or 4 messages to come to this stage. You can see here I have like multiple screens. Uh, I also have a demo login. Uh, so with this free plan, if I'm started building, uh, these messages per day limit may not be sufficient for me. So what you guys can do? So now Lovable supports GitHub integration. You might be knowing it already. So for people who doesn't know, so from here you can actually straight away connect to your GitHub account, and whatever the changes you do here, all those changes gets reflected in your GitHub. That means all the versions. If you want to restore to the previous version also, you can do it. So if you see here, I already have 10 commits here. So these 10 commits, yesterday few commits, and today there are few changes happened, right? And this integration is a two-way. That means now whatever changes I do here, those changes will be reflected in the Lovable interface as well. So that we'll practice it right now so that you'll get an understanding. So that is one. And also I integrated with the Superbase free plan. So here you can see Superbase free plan is connected to this account here. Now, what if you want to do changes, right? So here, once it is connected to the GitHub, you can actually clone it to your local machine. That is option one. Now, if you don't have a machine with a VS Code and all installed, not to worry. So from the GitHub in the free plan itself, there is an option called code spaces. So you can open the same source code from the code spaces. So basically what this does is it will open a virtual environment for your source code to run, where you can do all the activities, including source code editing and everything. So it may take a couple of seconds, so give it a while. And you can see here, now my code is loaded into this particular browser-based Visual Studio Code editor, right? Now from here you can start running the code. But what we do is we will use a plugin to do all the edits in this particular version. So let this load first. So it is taking little time. Just remember, so the limit what you're getting in the Lovable, you might have come with the initial landing page, even sub pages also. Now, from there, you pulling that code to your GitHub account, and from there, you are able to click on code, and from here, create code space. So it will open a separate window where you can start editing the code from here. Not to worry, we are not doing anything here. I mean, not coding part. We still use AI to do those enhancements what we want to do. Now there are two options. One is you can either use GitHub Copilot from here, which is again, um, you get a per month 2000 messages limit, which is very sufficient if you started using it. So if you look at, sorry, not this is the page. So this is how. So you get in the free plan, you get 50 agent mode or chart requests per month. Also 2000 completions per month in the free plan itself. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to $10 per month. Yes. So from here, you can start running the application as well. So I'll say in npm install. Yeah. So we actually initiated the project here. Now, if you want to see the demo from here also, you can actually see the product. So once it is done, give it a second and yes, perfect. So whatever we built using Lovable, it is running in my local machine. Now this is done. Now what I'll do is I'll use a Copilot. I'll select agent mode. So basically, first time you have to log into the Copilot. So it automatically logged in because my account is already active. So I'll again say. So here you can see I'm selecting agent mode again and GPT 4.1 or Cloud Sonnet 3.5. So these are the options available for O also. Hi, please review the complete code and start adding navigation menu and this should match the current landing page design. So you can see here, whatever code we built using Lovable. So it's like this. You have a second set of developers who is working on your code. So once these changes is done, I'll again push these changes to uh, my GitHub account. So automatically that gets stored for my uh, Lovable account. So since it's the first time, it is taking time to read all the existing files. So you can see here, continue to, that's okay, I can continue. Now, until your application is ready, you can actually make use of the credits what you're getting in GitHub Copilot, which is 2000 messages per month. But of course, right now we are using agent mode. These messages you get 50. So you can see here, Copilot started working on my code. And in this, you can see these three files, there are changes happen. So I can keep those changes if I want, or I can reject it. So I'm not seeing any navigation bar here. So where it added. I'm not seeing any navigation bar in the landing page. Can you get it checked once? So this is how with the free plan, you can actually start these changes without any limit. So you can see here, the first time it might have done a mistake. So it is saying I have not included in the landing page. I have now added. So let us keep those changes and come to page. Perfect. So you can see here, earlier there was no landing page. Now this is appeared here. Now, if you want to see the in the Lovable, maybe if you come to the your landing page, let us refresh it and see whether it comes or not. See, the changes didn't come, right? Why? Because after doing the changes in our using GitHub Copilot, we have not saved those changes. Those are done in my local environment, kind of, right? So what I should do, I have to just push those changes. So I'll open a command line. You can do it from here also, but I find this easy. So if you check the git status, see these are the files got changed. 1, 2, 3, 4 files got changed. So I had to just give two commands here, 2 or 3, git add. Those changes got added. Now I'll commit. I'm just adding my comments to here. Now I'll push these changes. So before that, I just want to show you one more here. Now here you see these are 10 commits right now, right? Now after pushing this particular command, if I come and refresh this, you can see here 11 commits happen, right? So like this, you can do n number of commits. So I might have used Lovable to come with the landing page. Then after that, I'll do everything using Augment Code or GitHub Copilot in my local machine and then push those changes here. Let us come back here. You can see here. I have not even refreshed. Those changes already, appeared here in the Lovable. So this is how you can actually start working on the app using Lovable to create your initial prototype, and on that you can start using other. Yeah, thanks for watching.